Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Windows 11's background spying and telemetry features, all with just one click, using a powerful and free tool called O&O Shutup 10++. If you're concerned about your privacy on Windows, this video is for you. First, let's get the tool. Open your browser and head over to the official website. Click on the green download button. No installation needed, so it's completely portable. Once downloaded, open the .exe file, and if prompted by Windows Smart Screen, click More Info and then Run Anyway. This is the main dashboard. Don't let all the options overwhelm you. We're going to do this the easy way. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Then click Actions and select Apply Only Recommended Settings. But before you do that, create a restore point before applying settings, just in case you want to roll things back later. Now you can apply the recommended settings. Just say no, you have already created a restore point. Boom, just like that, it disables data sharing, location tracking, advertising ID, telemetry, and more. No registry editing, no group policy tweaks. Just one click and your privacy is way better protected. Now, if you want to go deeper, you can click on individual settings to get a full explanation. Some are marked green, safe, others are orange or red, which may affect functionality like Windows updates or syncing features. So if you're advanced, feel free to explore those. But for most users, the recommended settings are perfect. If you check on top, you can make changes for the current user only or for the whole local machine. And that's it. You've now taken control of your Windows 11 privacy with just one click. If this helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments. What other Windows tips do you want to see next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.